Sorting elements of an array by frequency. We have to sort array elements by its frequency. Elements that have higher frequency should come first. Given in the question that if frequency of two elements are same, then smaller number come first. Here given T means number of test cases, N is size of array. Here two test cases are given. So in this array we have to check frequency of each element. 5 comes 2 times, 6 comes 1 time, 4 comes 2 times. So we have to arrange in order of frequency. Higher frequency should come first. So frequency is higher of 5 and 4. Means 4 and 5 both have same frequencies. So we will arrange 4 first because it is smaller. So it will give us output 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Now check this, in which 9 comes 3 times. So frequency of 9 is 3. So it will come first. Now 2 and 1. 2 and 5. Frequency of 2 and 5 both is 1. So 2 is smaller than 5. So 2 come first. Now let's see the code. Here for calculating frequency, I am calling counter from collections module. Now this is T for calculating test cases, number of test cases, while T here, and it is for length of the array. Array equals to list map int input strip dot split. This is for take a space separated list of integers as input and convert it into a list of integer named ARR. Now counter is equals to counter AAR. This counter is a dictionary which contains frequency of all elements of array. Now we have to sort that array. Here I am applying lambda function. Minus counter x now this function is applied for it sort array on the basis of frequency of each element. Higher frequency come first. This is for frequency. Higher frequency element will come first, and x means it represent here ascending order, means frequency of two elements are same, that it will arrange that two elements in ascending order. Now print each element of the array.